Hey you guys, Sylwia here. So let me just quickly jump on and let you know about this cool offer that Dpapa Dimitri is one of my favorite vendors from Warrior Plus. A solid guy, one of the good guys really, in affiliate marketing arena and, on the Warrior Plus platform really. That's what I'm trying to say. But he's been launching on ClickBank. I don't know about JVZoo, mainly Warrior Plus, but ClickBank as well, I guess. Now, what he is doing is a Black Friday special. So he has launched many products. I mean, not overly many, if I may put it this way. Okay, he would launch a new software, so sort of training course every few months after having tested the method himself first. Okay, when it comes to the training course, he does the training course. When it comes to the software bit of the launch, the product, the software would always have been developed by his partner and I guess close friend, Alex Krulik. Okay, so these guys have been working together for quite some time, and his latest launch, okay, really like a relaunch of his first software, Traffic Zion Cloud, was like a month ago. I do recall reviewing this product. I mean, I have pretty much reviewed most of his pretty much. Okay, I see all of his products. I have reviewed all of his products and I have bought most of his products. Amazing. Okay, his score on Warrior Plus is strong, 4 stars. I have, given him many reviews. I mean, like my personal testimonials as to my experience with his products. Okay, so what I want to let you know, guys, about it, that he's doing almost, it's not fully 50% discount, but almost 50% off across all of his winning, award-winning software and trainings product solutions, as he put it here. Here will be a coupon code that you will have to sort of just paste and copy into the checkout, and that will give you almost 50% across all of his products. So whichever one you want to pick, it's a great time to buy it because it is heavily discounted. From normally 47, now it will come down to 27, and that will come into effect from, let me see, put it down here, on the 20th of November, for about 5 days, so up until Black Friday, I guess would be the final day of this special promotion. Okay, so Flip-Flop Profits is about affiliate marketing, is a training course. Spectra is a training course plus software on native ads, like a spy tool. NFTs Cracked is a training course on how to make money with NFTs, how to buy and sell them in the most profitable way. Tubematic, I love the software, is a training course plus a software product, to help you run successful YouTube ads. Pinbank, all to do with, it's a training course plus a software to do with Pinterest, how to make money with Pinterest. And we have Bing Bang Profits AI. This is like his latest edition of this training course and software on Microsoft ads, on Bing ads. They are amongst the cheapest ads out there, okay? Now, Traffic Zion AI is obviously how to make money, how to monetize your website, and how to generate traffic using WordPress itself, okay? Again, it's both a training course and a software. TickBank is on one of his sort of recent products on how to make money running. What was he running with this one? Let me TikTok, obviously. Wake up, Sylwia. It's about time. It's almost 7 p.m. Okay, guys, so if any of those products sound good to you, pick them up now. Okay, I'm not going to make this video any longer. It's just to give you a heads up what's happening to do with, you know, Dpapa's special Black Friday offer. So cool. If you wish to buy it, I will attach the link to the sales page below my review. By all means, you can buy it from me. And if there is one specific product, for example, you want to watch a review on, okay, before buying it, what I will also do, I also go to this extent and collect all of the links to all of my reviews on Dpapa's products, and I'll actually put them in the description box, okay, so for your convenience. If, you know, you're not fully informed about what kind of product it is, go watch my in-depth review. I show you the members area. I mean, I purchased those products myself, okay, so I tried them out and I did review them in depth. I did in-depth reviews. So yes, I'll attach the link to the sales page, to Black Friday special, Dpapa's Black Friday special, and I'll go and get all of the links to all of my reviews on Dimitris's products, and I also put them down in the description box below this video. Alright guys, ciao, love you and leave you. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try and review a cool product that's coming to the market. I mean, it was launched quite some time ago, but it's called Presenter. I mean, hopefully I'll get a chance to review it. It's a really nice product, by the way. All right, ciao.